Have you ever wondered how Zillow gets their information to determine the value on its Zestimate and if it's accurate? If so, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Shannon Comstock at RE/MAX. Zillow bases their information off of an algorithm. It's just a computer. Zillow looks at what your neighbors have sold their home for. Zillow's algorithm looks at things like how many bedrooms and bathrooms you have. It also looks at your square footage and compares it to your neighbors. What a computer cannot look at is views, location, upgrades, landscaping, if you're close to shopping, amenities, the condition of your home, or the desirability of your market when giving you a value of your home or a Zestimate. All of these values have a huge impact on what your home is worth. So Zillow can't compare homes that are close to busy streets with road noise or power lines or any other nuisances. There are other factors that Zillow does not look at, such as the absorption rate, the inventory levels, buyer demand, and interest rates. So you're better off having a real estate professional that actually lives in the area, taking a look at your home and looking at all of the values of your home to determine what it's worth. I understand that selling your home can be an emotional experience, and it's natural for sellers to think that their home is worth more because they are emotionally attached to it. It's important to look at all the variables to determine the value of your home. Underpricing it can cause you to lose money, and so can overpricing it. And if you're thinking of selling, please give me a call. I would love to earn your business.